Hey there. Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all things money related. In today's video, we're going to be talking about side hustles that you can start today to earn some extra cash. If you're looking to supplement your income or save up for something special, these 10 side hustles might just be what you're looking for. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a great way to earn some extra cash if you're knowledgeable in a particular subject. You can sign up with tutoring platforms such as Chegg or TutorMe, or advertise your services on social media platforms. The best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Freelance writing. If you have a way with words, freelance writing could be the perfect side hustle for you. There are plenty of platforms out there that are always looking for freelance writers to create content for their websites or blogs. Some popular platforms include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Dog walking. If you love spending time with animals, dog walking could be a great way to earn some extra cash. You can advertise your services on local community websites or apps like Rover, where dog owners can connect with local dog walkers. Renting out your car. If you have a car that you don't use all the time, renting it out on platforms like Turo or Getaround could be a great way to earn some extra cash. These platforms allow you to rent out your car when you're not using it, and you can earn anywhere from $30 to $100 per day. Airbnb Hosting. If you have a spare room or a vacation home that you don't use all the time, renting it out on Airbnb could be a great way to earn some extra cash. Airbnb allows you to set your own prices and you can earn anywhere from $50 to $300 per night. Virtual bookkeeping. If you're good with numbers, virtual bookkeeping could be a great way to earn some extra cash. You can offer your services on platforms like Bookkeeper Business Launch and help small businesses with their accounting needs. Photography. If you're passionate about photography, you could turn that passion into a side hustle. You can sell your photos on platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock, or offer your services for events like weddings or parties. Food delivery. If you have a car and some spare time, food delivery could be a great way to earn some extra cash. You can sign up with platforms like Uber Eats or DoorDash, and deliver food to people in your local area. House cleaning. If you're good at cleaning, offering your services as a house cleaner could be a great way to earn some extra cash. You can advertise your services on local community websites or apps like TaskRabbit. Selling crafts. If you're crafty, you can turn your hobby into a side hustle by selling your crafts online. Platforms like Etsy allow you to sell your handmade items to people all over the world. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found these 10 side hustles helpful and that they've given you some ideas on how you can start earning some extra cash today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-related content, and we'll see you in the next video.